How to get a super high score in Block Blast. This is a step-by-step video so you can follow easily. Now I am inside the Block Blast game right here, and basically to go ahead and get a super high score, you want to go ahead and place blocks right here, and you want to go ahead and maximize these blocks in order to fill in the line, a vertical line or a horizontal line on our board right here. So as an example, if I go ahead and place this specific block right here, it would be a good idea for me because I would not be wasting any space on my board. But if I go ahead and place something like this one on the middle of the board, I would be wasting this space right here because as an example, I cannot go ahead and place something like this one or this one. It will go ahead and leave a space on this specific column right here. So you want to go ahead and maximize the way you place these blocks on your board. As an example, I have this gorgeous pattern right here. So if I go ahead and place that specific block, it will now go ahead and clear out my board, which is a really good idea if you want to go ahead a super high score on Block Blast. So you can just go ahead and keep doing this until you get the high score on this game right here. So if this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll make sure to see you again next time, and as always, thank you.